No. Oh, again, finished a bit quick. Surprised me. Never mind. Right. This is it. This is the one. And the only. The Queen is back. Donna Summer. Enjoy this one. There's a few tracks, so I hope you will.
Hello?
Lady, we've just kidnapped your husband. Have $800,000 ready by tomorrow night. And lady, no police, or you'll never see your husband alive again.
Hello? I remember standing there so petrified, my hand frozen to the bone, as the strangest words echoed in my ears and chilled me to the bone. Some dark tragedy had come right home to me. They kidnapped my man, and his life was in their hands. He was a hostage.
And lady, here's your husband. Prove that we're not playing any games.
Hi, honey. Listen, I'm okay. Just make sure you do whatever they tell you, and whatever you do, don't go to the police.
Hello?
Listen very carefully, lady. Drive out to the abandoned shack on Highway 16. Throw the package of money out the window and keep driving. And remember, lady, no police.
Oh, my heart was heavy as I made that drive. I was sure something was wrong. I soon found the shack, I threw out the bag, and I just kept driving on. Then the shots rang out, and I turned my car about. On the ground one lay, but the other one had gotten away. He was a hostage. His life was at the mercy of their hands. He was a hostage. His life depending on their cold demands. Well, they found my husband a few days later. Yes. The funeral's tomorrow. They call her the Lady of the Night. An easy living girl. She's a woman of the world. With lots of loving for sale. Lady, lady of the night. Round here they call her the lady of the night. In a perfumed hotel room, shadows dance upon the wall and fade. At dawn, she's no beginner. This lady of the night. Never try that funny stuff, 'cause lady can be tough. You want she's a lot like you and me. And never just what she sees. No one seems to know her name. Or the place from where she came. I love to love you, baby. 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 When you're laying so close to me, there's no place I'd rather you be than with me. Oh, do it to me again and again. You put me in such an awful spin, in a spin.